Recovering your Solflare wallet is a straightforward process as long as you have access to your 12-word recovery phrase. Here's how to recover your Solflare wallet. Open Solflare Wallet. Launch the Solflare Wallet app or browser extension. Choose Restore Wallet. On the wallet's welcome screen, click on Restore Wallet instead of creating a new one. Enter your seed phrase. You will be prompted to enter your 12-word recovery phrase. This is the phrase you were given when you first created your wallet. Carefully type the words in the correct order, ensuring there are no typos. Set a new password. After entering the recovery phrase, you'll be asked to set a new password for your wallet. This password will protect your wallet from unauthorized access. Choose a strong password. Restore Wallet. Once you've entered the correct seed phrase and set a password, click Restore Wallet. Your Solflare wallet will be restored and your funds should appear in the wallet. Secure your recovery phrase. If you haven't done so already, write down your recovery phrase and store it in a secure location. This is essential for wallet recovery in the future.